Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add an external style sheet to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor which is Sublime Text in this case, or we can have another text editor that you require. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text, open this up and then increase the size of the text edit file. And now we should have preloaded from the previous tutorials index.html. If not, go to File, Open, index.html and then come back to this tutorial. And now we are ready to add the external style sheet. If we go to Command N to open up a new file and save this as style.css. Save. So this is the style sheet, the external style sheet. Go to index.html. Take whatever is in style, highlight, cut, paste to style.css. Remove the style elements. And now go within head and type in less than link rel equals style sheet, href equals the name of the style sheet, which is style.css. Command S to save. And now when we open this up, whatever we saw in the last tutorial, we should now see that in this tutorial because we're working with an external style sheet. Command S to save, go to style.css, save, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, go to index.html, open with Safari, minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of both windows so we can then see what is happening on a simultaneous level. So we have a website that has index.html and an external style sheet connected to the website. An external style sheet is used to define the style for many HTML pages. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website just by changing one file. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.